I'm Brian Fernandez, and I started the Ketchup Wars. When I went to the grocery store, we always pick up Heinz ketchup. And I noticed just below it, a new bottle by French's. What caught my attention was a big Canadian flag on the front. My wife told me about it. She said, you should read this article about how Heinz pulled out of Leamington, Ontario and fired a bunch of people. Then French's came in, and those people that were laid off or fired all had their jobs back. And so because of that, I decided to support French's for supporting Canadian workers. I put it out there on February 23rd as a post, and I got a call from a Vancouver radio station saying, how do you feel about your post going viral? I had no idea what he was talking about. I said, you need to go on your Facebook.
Did you see the hullabaloo over French's ketchup? Some Ontario guy started an online campaign to get everyone to buy French's ketchup instead of Heinz ketchup.
A social media post about French's use of Ontario tomatoes went viral.
This is a rivalry. French's ketchup even slapping a maple leaf on its bottle to drum up Canadian support.